Hello traders and scalpers. Welcome to the Stock Market Scalper channel. In this video, we are looking at the spiders. This chart is a 24-hour chart. The highlighted area is, depending on how you look at it, pre-market or post-market or after hours. The darker areas are the regular trading hours, so 9:30 to 4 o'clock. This section is today, Monday, and this section is Friday. Now, the reason why we're looking at Friday is because we want to take a look at the high here. What do we got here? 482.72. Okay, 72. It's the low of today. It's 78. One thing that, if you stick with me and look at how the charts work, the spider really doesn't get to the exact level. So it's usually between 3 and 5 cents that I find that it'll get in range to touching, let's say closing the gap, so to speak, right? As the term goes. So in this case, it's 6, right? 78, 72. So I usually see anywhere from 3 to 5. So this is 6. Anyway, that's fairly close, but the interesting thing that I want to point out is this. If we just draw a horizontal line, and so this is why I like looking at the 24-hour chart on the spiders, even though a lot of the time they have these misprints, I guess they're called, and I don't know if this is a misprint. I'm not sure if that's a misprint, and I'm not even sure if this is a misprint. Maybe not. I really don't know. But the interesting thing is, we do a resistance line here, a support line. Look at that. Takes it right there. I think it's within 1 cent. What's the low here? 78, right? And the low here, 79. So I don't know. You take note of that. Use it in the future if that can help you in some other trade. But that's one thing I wanted to show you. The other thing I wanted to show you on this chart before we say goodbye to this video is, with the turning point right here, right at 10 o'clock, I always believe, and there usually is a reason why it turns around other than news or new release or whatever. There's always some kind of technical analysis going on. So, ignoring these two prints right here, because we don't really know how accurate these candles are, these smaller ones, if we go from this one and we just take that one, so we gotta ignore these two, right? So we got that one and that one. Duplicate this and take it over here. It's just, and you can see, right, we got this low and then a higher low, right here a higher low, and here a higher low. Kind of a real good trend line there, right? And look at that. Let's put it on top of there. It almost touches that. That's good enough. You could play with the angles here too if you want to massage it a bit, so to speak. Take that, put it over there, and then you get that little area. Anyway, and that would be a good area to go short, right? Low risk, high reward. Get a few bucks out of there if you held on to it. Anyway, that's all I wanted to show and talk about in this video. I don't want it to be too long. There really isn't, and all the other actions kind of hard to read, but those are the obvious things I got from this chart. And there's really nothing happening on the regular chart for the spiders today. So yeah, that's it for the spiders. Hopefully you had a good day trading today, and we'll see you in the next video.